Anne-Marie, it's going so fantastic. In fact, Tom Davis and Alfredo de los Santos, they are Team USA Paralympic participants. They were in Rio, now they're here in Detroit, the first hand cyclists to cross the finish line. And so that is really exciting. They crossed literally seconds ago, so they're down there getting their medals, getting some snacks and some much needed hydration, I'm sure. Standing with me right now, one of the event organizers. This is such a cool element of the race that probably not a lot of people know, and it's so fun to see people cross that finish line. It looks like they're preparing for somebody else there too. So you said this is a slightly new spot for the finish line. What are some of the other changes you've seen?
You know, we changed the route a little bit. We used to go on the lodge. Now our hand cyclists go on the lodge, and our runners do not. It makes to open the lodge a little bit easier, but that's about it for the big changes.
Oh my gosh, the first runner just came through.
Half marathon.
That's the half marathon winner right there. We're going to work on getting the half marathon winner's name, but for now, that's 13.1 miles. That is a long run. They completed that. It's just after 8 o'clock. The race started at 7. I mean, that is fast.
That's very, very fast. That could be one of our records, too.
Now, something that we were talking about, there was some traffic congestion. I know we got caught in it. Some of the runners did too. And some people actually just left their cars on the road and got out just to make it here on time. What does that say to you?
Oh, that this town is really booming. I mean, there's so much energy down here now. So many people live downtown. You know, you have to think about when you get downtown, there's only a couple ways you can get in. So we had 26,000 people that ran today and yesterday. So a lot of people coming down, and the spectators too.
Yeah, so some congestion. We could think those runners, they were prepared to move those legs and leave their cars behind to get here to the start line, and we'll be here as they cross the finish line as well. Thank you so much. So exciting to see the growth and change here in Detroit, and I know that this event is a big part of it, so thank you. We're going to toss things back to you. I hear more cheering, more cheering. We perhaps have more people heading for, oh, there's somebody else crossing the finish line. Nima, Anne-Marie, holy moly.
Are you
Can you imagine running that fast?
What were they running, Jen?
That was the half marathon,
That was
so
the half.
13.1 miles.
I mean, 26
That was the
miles
half.
in just under
We
an
were
hour.
going to say they cheated.
Let me just tell you, yeah, I mean, they need to have a
But
car
they're-
named after them.
An hour and 10 minutes for a half marathon?
For 13.1 miles, 13.1.
I mean,
in
this
an hour.
is crazy.
I know, unbelievable. These
I
are
run
really
through
incredible
people's
athletes.
minds and